Guys, check this out. 1983 Jeep Scrambler. I've never seen one of these. They are so cool. It's like a miniature truck. That's how they should have done the Gladiator instead of doing the 4 doors and the different look on it. What do you guys think? I think, or they need to come up with a 2-door version of the Gladiator like this. I think that'd be really, really cool. It's an off-road vehicle they're building. It's our good friends at Team Wit in Madison, Tennessee. So we'll see if we can put a link in the description for them. But they brought it in here. They're building it for a client for an off-road vehicle. And they had some trouble with the piping, so we fixed it up for them. Just wanted to show you guys. It's a 1983 Jeep Scrambler. Let me show you guys. It's got a built motor in it. I don't know what the motor is, to be honest with you guys. All we know is we just put an O2 bunk for them right there because they had it way too far away. So we put it in the right location and fixed this elbow for them right there. This was the old one right here. Look at this. Completely no flow. So that doesn't work, you know? Look at that. They're like, we can't have that. So they brought it to us and we ran them a piece of pipe, all new. And then it's out the back. And then it's got a knockoff Flowmaster dual in, single out and a tailpipe out the back. We didn't do any of this work, but we just fixed the pipe for them. There it is. But it's still a cool looking vehicle. See that? We pieced it together and made it nice for them. Came out nice. Much better than whatever this contraption is. That's funny. There's the back of it. It's got a nice lift kit on it. There's the back. Cool looking vehicle, Jeep Scrambler. We'll see how that sounds. Stay tuned. All right, guys, ready to hear this beautiful Scrambler? Look at this thing. I really like it. It's growing on me. Here's the cold start on it, guys. Go ahead. '89 at startup. Good for what it is. Jeep Scrambler 1983. Hey, no one here. Just back out straight. There's no mirrors. He's putting that out there, guys. So if he runs me over, it's on you, Jeep Scrambler. I'm gonna look for one of these. They're probably hard to come by, guys, but still, they're cool. Jeep Scrambler. What a look. It looks like a toy. It is a toy. Big boy's toys. I would change the muffler on it, make it a little bit more throaty, but other than that, it looks good. Let you guys hear on the inside. That's a cool looking vehicle, man. I like it. Jeep Scrambler. What's the motor that's in it?
It's a 5.3 LS.
5.3 LS?
Yep.
The mystery is solved. All right. So it's a 5.3 LS, guys. Again, look them up on Facebook, Team Wit. There she goes. Enjoy, guys.